Meet the kudu, the antelope with spiral horns that look like nature's corkscrew. Male cutests grow horns up to 1.8 meters long, and they never stop growing. They can jump over 3 meters high to escape lions, basically Olympic athletes. Their striped bodies work like camouflage, making them almost invisible in trees. Cutests have huge ears that can detect predators from far away. They can survive days without water by eating juicy leaves. When alarmed, they bark like a dog, yes, an antelope that barks. And fun fact, baby cutests can stand just minutes after birth.